Hi, Lissacha. Welcome to term 2. Okay, we start off with words that have the at sound. At, k, at, cat, m, at, mat, h, at, hat, s, at, sat, b, at, bat, r, at, rat, ch, at, chat. I, my, pet, is, a, cat. My pet is a cat. My, cat, ran, away. My cat ran away. I have, a, red, hat. I have a red hat. My, cat, sat, on, the, mat. My cat sat on the mat. I ran away from a black bat. I ran away from a black bat. I saw a fat rat. I saw a fat rat. We, chat, on, WhatsApp. We chat on WhatsApp. Okay, so you'll practice reading those for me and then we'll go through them tomorrow. Peace out.